While everyone's worried about AI taking their jobs, they're completely missing the skills that will make them irreplaceable in any future scenario. The world is changing faster than most people realize, but instead of panicking about what's disappearing, let's talk about what's becoming more valuable than ever. These aren't technical skills that become outdated in 5 years. These are human skills that actually get more important as everything else becomes automated. First is emotional intelligence. This isn't just being nice or understanding feelings, it's the ability to recognize emotions in yourself and others, understand what they mean, and use that information effectively. As more interactions happen through technology, the people who can create genuine human connection will become incredibly valuable. Emotional intelligence means knowing when you're stressed before you take it out on someone else. It means recognizing when someone's anger is really fear, or when their criticism is actually a request for help. It means being able to navigate conflict in ways that strengthen relationships instead of damaging them. Critical thinking is the second essential skill. With information everywhere and misinformation spreading rapidly, the ability to analyze what you're consuming becomes crucial. This isn't about being skeptical of everything. It's about knowing how to evaluate sources, spot logical fallacies, and think through complex problems systematically. Critical thinking also means being able to question your own assumptions. It's catching yourself when you're making decisions based on outdated information or emotional reactions rather than current reality. It's the difference between reacting to situations and responding to them thoughtfully. The third skill is analysis. This goes deeper than critical thinking. Analysis is the ability to break down complex situations into understandable components and see how those components interact. Whether you're solving a relationship problem, making a business decision, or understanding why you're feeling stuck, analytical skills help you see what's really happening beneath the surface. Most people try to solve problems at the symptom level because they can't analyze what's actually causing the issue. Analytical thinkers can identify root causes and address those instead of just treating surface problems repeatedly. Finally, effective communication ties everything together. This isn't just about speaking clearly, it's about translating your thoughts and feelings into language that creates understanding and connection. It's knowing how to ask for what you need, give feedback that helps rather than hurts, and express disagreement without creating conflict. Effective communication also means being able to adapt your style to different people and situations. What works in a professional setting might not work in a personal relationship. What motivates one person might discourage another. Skilled communicators can read the situation and adjust accordingly. Here's why these four skills are becoming so critical. As routine tasks get automated, the remaining work will require sophisticated human judgment. You'll need to understand people's emotions to provide excellent service. You'll need critical thinking to solve complex problems. You'll need analysis to understand changing situations. And you'll need communication to collaborate effectively. But these skills aren't just valuable professionally, they're what create fulfilling personal lives. Relationships thrive when both people have emotional intelligence and communication skills. Decision making improves dramatically with critical thinking and analysis. Life satisfaction increases when you can understand and manage your internal experience effectively. The good news is that, unlike technical skills, these abilities improve with practice rather than becoming outdated. Every interaction is an opportunity to develop emotional intelligence. Every decision is a chance to practice critical thinking. Every complex situation can help you improve your analytical abilities. Every conversation can strengthen your communication skills. Most people assume these skills develop automatically over time, but that's not true. Like any other ability, they improve through conscious attention and practice. The people who excel in these areas have made deliberate efforts to develop them. Start paying attention to your emotional responses and what triggers them. Practice questioning your initial reactions to information instead of accepting them immediately. When facing complex problems, take time to break them down systematically. And in conversations, focus more on understanding than on being understood. These skills compound over time. Better emotional intelligence leads to better relationships, which provide more opportunities to practice communication. Stronger critical thinking leads to better decisions, which create better outcomes to analyze and learn from. If you're ready to develop these future essential skills, subscribe for more practical psychology content. Share this with someone who's thinking about their long term development. In a rapidly changing world, these human skills are your most reliable foundation. The future belongs to people who can think clearly, understand emotions, analyze complexity, and communicate effectively. Everything else is just temporary.